And we are talking about the tropics, more rainfall possibly coming our direction. We definitely need some sometime soon. It's been hot and it's been very dry. Take a look at what we're watching right now. It's mainly in the Caribbean, the southern Caribbean. The Hurricane Center giving that little guy with that little yellow X a 10% chance of developing into the next named tropical storm in the next few days. In the next 5 days, a 20% chance. Forecast to cross over the Yucatan Peninsula into the Bay of Campeche, just where Alberto was, maybe a little bit further south. We'll keep our eyes on that one. And then there's this out here far out in the Atlantic, that orange coloring showing that it's medium chance of development, but that's way off in the eastern Atlantic, so lots of time to watch out for that one. All the counties shaded in orange under a heat advisory again tomorrow. Heat indices approaching 105 to 110 at times, up and down the I-35 corridor from San Antonio to Austin. So make sure you stay hydrated, stay out of the sun if at all possible. It's still 90 degrees as of 10 o'clock at San Antonio. Stinson Airport 89, mostly clear. South-southeast winds are 8 miles per hour. Barometer pretty much holding steady, and the dew point's at 72, so that humidity creeping up as usual in the overnight hours as it usually does. You can see we've got 90s all around. 90 Getula, Carrizo Springs, Eagle Pass, Del Rio still at 95. Rock Springs 86, New Braunfels 85, Gonzales 86. Factor in the humidity feels more like 101 still for Pearsall and Getula, a pair of 8s for the Hill Country, Rock Springs, and also Kerrville. Humidity forecast all the way through the weekend into the middle of next week keeps us in the 70s, so we'll stay tropical and we'll stay very humid and very uncomfortable. More heat advisories likely issued later this week. The radar is dry, had a couple isolated showers, very isolated showers in our extreme eastern counties. Everyone else stayed dry today, and that looks to stay the same for a long time. Here's that futurecast. Walk you through it hour by hour. 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. So as many head off to work or they're at work by then, temperatures in the upper 70s and low 80s, mostly sunny skies too. And as we head into the afternoon, it's more sunshine and heat. Highs in the upper 90s to around 100. Very small chance for a very isolated shower in our extreme eastern counties. Notice though, most of us staying dry. Heading into your Thursday night and Friday morning, more of the same. Pretty much it's hitting a repeat in the weather world. Highs or lows rather in the upper 70s to around 80. And then as we head into the end of the afternoon, more of the same. Mostly sunny. Again, a chance for a very isolated stray shower, and highs in about the same spot. Upper 90s to around 100 degrees. So for tonight, we've got mostly clear skies, a low of 77, south winds at 5 to 15. Tomorrow we'll head up to 91 by noon, 98 the forecast high, with mostly sunny skies. With the humidity, it'll feel a lot worse than that. Here is that 14-day forecast. We'll start with the next 7. We've got high temperatures staying in the upper 90s throughout the forecast as well. This weekend, if you're looking ahead of that, 97 on Saturday, 96 on Sunday, partly cloudy to mostly sunny. That very isolated chance for a shower or storm, but most of us not seeing a thing. That's why there's no percents on the forecast. Monday, 97, Tuesday and Wednesday, still upper 90s and lows in the upper 70s. And the rest of that forecast showing the remainder of the 14 days, high temperatures staying in about the same spot, upper 90s to the low 100s, including the 4th of July, and little to no rain in sight.